Tea, a beloved beverage enjoyed worldwide, can be even more delightful when paired with the right foods. But beware! Certain foods can clash with tea's delicate flavors or hinder its health benefits. Here's a quick guide to what to avoid with your next cuppa. Strong flavored foods. Garlic, onion, chilies, curries. Their boldness overpowers tea's subtle notes. Citrus fruits, lemons, oranges. Their acidity disrupts the absorption of tea's beneficial antioxidants. Milk and cream. While some enjoy the creamy taste, milk can reduce tea's antioxidant power, except black tea. Sugary treats, cakes, biscuits. A sugar spike can follow, leading to crashes. Opt for moderation and complementary flavors. Fried/greasy foods. Tea aids digestion, but heavy foods can negate this benefit. Choose lighter options. General tips: experiment. Find what works for your taste and body. Light and savory snacks. These pair well without overpowering the tea. Fiber and protein. Slow down caffeine absorption, preventing jitters. By following these simple guidelines, you can elevate your tea experience and enjoy its full flavor and health potential. Now go forth and sip confidently.